So I've always been curious, what's inside of the automatic transmission filter? Is it a paper filter, like an oil filter? Is it wire mesh, like kind of like a scouring pad just to trap metal shavings? So I decided I'm going to cut this open. This came off my 2000 3.2 TL. And so I took my Dremel tool and cut it open. Let's see what's inside. So we have a spring, a pressure relief spring probably, and look at that. And just like an oil filter. So that answers that question. So it is paper, and construction is very much like your typical oil filter. So I don't think you want to go lifetime without ever changing this. That answers that mystery.